Hey guys, this is Grace and welcome to my channel. This is process video number 174 entitled Happy Party, and this is my fourth layout featuring the Flavors of the Month kit February edition from the ScrapRoom Kit Club, and it features papers and products from Echo Park Let's Party collection, as well as some items from the embellishment add-on kit for this month. So I have a bunch of photos for this particular layout. I think I have, let me see, I think I have 13 photos and all of them are 3x4, and I will be trimming some of them down just because I like that little white edge that peeks through all around my my page rather, and so I want to show some of that cardstock that is behind it. And I decided that because I have a ton of photos, and I don't know, my go-to is to just kind of lay them on a kind of horizontal way across both pages. But the theme that I'm doing this month is kind of veering away from my comfort zone, because I just feel like I needed I needed to do some things differently. Otherwise, I don't know, I just feel like scrapbooking can be quite boring sometimes for me if I'm doing the same thing over and over again. So one of the ways that I could kind of differentiate this particular double page layout from the ones that I have done in the past is to put the bulk of the photos on one side and then put a big chunk of a pattern paper on the right side, and that will house my title and also my journaling. So that's kind of the plan right now. Now I have that text paper. It's really cute. It has all kind of a lot of the party words that you can use for parties. Anyways, it's a little bit busy, and so I'm gonna try to put this paper block, which is actually just the other side of the text paper, and I cut that in half in triangles and use that kind of as a photo corner or bookmark for that strip of vertical photos. But I'm still noticing that some of the or all of the photos, especially the ones in the center that doesn't have the bookmark paper, it just kind of gets a little bit lost. So I will be matting all of those vertical photos with some vellum, and I just think that the vellum adds a little bit more, it distinguishes the photo against the busy pattern paper. So if you have some busy pattern paper that you'd like to use, you can always mat your photos with some vellum. Now I also cut out some circles from the same pattern paper, and I actually just cut out two, and I used the hangover of the bigger one and used that on the bottom of the for the smaller piece. And then the middle size circle, I think I only cut that like half moon size because I know that I was going to tuck that onto the paper between the strip and the photo. Now the title came from the 12 by 12 sticker sheet that came with this kit, and I love those 12 by 12 sticker sheets because they're chock full of images and words, and they're just really versatile to use, and you can dress up your layouts with just a few of them, just like what I'm doing here. And so I picked out the word happy and party. That happy word actually had an exclamation point at the end, but I didn't I wanted that to be the first word to my title because I don't know, it's just weird to say party happy. I think it's grammatically correct if you put happy party instead of the other way around. So I just cut out the exclamation point so that I can use that as the first word for my title. Now the collection itself lends itself better for a birthday party, but these photos are actually a work picnic. When my husband used to be a medical assistant, the company that he worked for had a big business or work party, work picnic, rather, in the summertime, and so we attended. And so these pictures are from that event. And so because this is not a birthday, I wanted to kind of veer away from all those that says birthday, and so I decided I did use the balloons still and the celebrate and all that other stuff because um, I just feel like any party, whether it's work party or family party, it has that celebratory feeling to it, so that's why I decided to use those. Now these die cuts came from the embellishment add-on kit, and I'm just adding that because I felt like the circles, they were good, but they didn't go all the way to the edge of the pattern paper that I wanted, and I felt like there was missing, it was, that part was missing something, and so I added those two. There was a circle with kind of the gift, and then there was a tag, and then this mini kit also came with some enamel dots, and I decided to add that to a few places on my layout, and that's going to be it. If you guys have any questions, make sure that you leave it in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed, please do so, and please, like, if you like this page, please give it a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys on another video. Bye.